Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove Canva animation. So I have in here this. So when I try to play it, as you can see, they have some animation. In order to remove that, you can head over and then just click on that particular part. For example, this dock right here has animation. Click on this right here and you can see the animation option right here or the animation icon. You can see that they actually change based on the actual name of the animation. So head over and then click on this right here. And then in order to remove it, you can head over and then make sure that is actually reverse on exit, exaggerate, and a lot more. So make sure to remove it. In order to remove it, you can head over and then just make sure to reduce the speed right here. Alternatively, you can also click on this remove animation altogether in order to remove it. Now let's try to play it again. And as you can see, the dock is not moving anymore. Just continue doing that on everything that's moving and then you should be good to go. So that's how you remove Canva animation. Hope we helped.